Today is September 30th, 2025. Uh, First, tokenization. There is process of first making vocab and tokenization. If there's I am a student, then we will be just mapping at 0, 1, 2, 3. First thing I was confused is you should also understand the relation when we do discretization, but it was not the professor one. He corrected me is discretization is just discretization, and we were mapping as 4 by E dimension, dimension mapping. Dimension is embedding matrix dimension. And yeah, later BTE will come out. B is batch size, which is number of how many sentences they have, and T is T will be all different. So each of the T is different. Each of the sentence T is different. In I am a student case, it has 4, but in another sentence, it can be different. That is why we are using the padding. And for transformer case, if what is it? First, start token come in, then there will be it will predict I, and I come out, then M will it will predict M, and so on. So important thing is vocab is very important. Vocab is really important. My curiosity was if test data set increase, then always vocab size increase. Maybe it will be at some point, but I don't know when it will be like there is positive correlation and it will go to the maybe plane. So it is another my question. And I thought why now GPT is not working as GPT well for other big model. First thing is zero shot, and what professor says another thing would be post-training scheme. Okay. Basically, so yeah, each of the 0, 1, 2, 3, there is b by 4 dimension, and yeah, so on. Yeah, now I will go to the collab, which is which is data pipeline, and we are gonna look it up the collab what we did. Yeah, so BTE is important. B is batch size, and P will be each of the sentence size, and E will be. You can see it easily in the code. In the code, what we utilized is the classification, not sentence generation, but in respect to using the sentence, it basically same. So yeah, and backward loss is I want to really implement it because it automatically calculates every backward function. And if you see here that if you do model that layer 2, then you can see each of the weight. How can we change each of the matrix element is also my question. And if you see here, then X train data set come out and Y label come out. And in data loader, you can check it of each, like each tensor is 0 or 1. Yeah, this is label and this is tensor. And yeah, this is tensor CUDA calculation. And this is like there is making vocab process. There is pad token, unknown token, and train lift 01. It is checking there is sentence, and for sentence there is like double array. Yeah, this is for sentence. It is changing to the it is assigning the number which is pre-built vocab, and string into indices it changes later, which is tokenization. Yeah, this is the following process. Yeah, thank you.